According to NFPA, the average loss per structure fire in 2011 was $21,000. Studies conducted by the U.S. Fire Administration found that 85% of children who play with fire will continue to do so if left untreated. In addition, of children who attend a workshop or some type of learning about youth fire setting, 70 to 80% do not commit repeat offenses. Furthermore, fire setting, especially in older children, has been shown to be indicative of other, often antisocial behaviors. For more than 2 decades, efforts have been ongoing throughout Florida to improve the identification and treatment of children involved in setting fires. Since 1995, a number of fire officials, law enforcement, and social services counselors had been trying to hold together a coalition with the goal of creating consistency and availability of youth fire setter programs across the state. The constant flux throughout state and local government made this a nearly insurmountable challenge. In 2007, the Florida Fire Marshals and Inspectors Association forged a partnership with the State Fire Marshal's Office and took the most significant steps to date to address youth fire setting across Florida, receiving just under $1 million in one-time grant funding from FEMA and a commitment for subsequent funding from the State Fire Marshal's Office. This concerned group of fire officials embarked on establishing a single resource for creating the consistency and statewide availability so desperately needed. StopFiresetting.com delivers a centralized resource for sharing best practices, an accessible database for managing program attendance and gathering statistics, and ongoing advocacy for this under-recognized issue facing our youth and parents. Florida's program was recognized in 2012 by FEMA for its success. The website and program database has nearly 300 fire service, law enforcement, and mental health personnel using it, with more than 1,600 kids and teens having been documented as going through the various fire setting intervention workshops throughout the state. Most recently, Florida's program was selected as one of 8 elite programs in the country, out of the roughly 65 in existence, to serve as a national model. However, after 3 successful years of operation and saving countless lives and dollars of loss, this program is at risk of extinction. Due to what else? Lack of funding. With the cost of operating the myflorida.com website at roughly $10 million per year, how much does it cost to maintain StopFiresetting.com and its associated statewide program, to provide for a paid statewide advocate and coordinator, as well as ongoing improvements to the materials, content, and software tools available to fire service, teachers, social workers, and parents? $5 million? $1 million? The FFMIA has budgeted operation of this program at a total of less than $100,000 annually. The State Fire Marshal's Office is being asked to fulfill the commitment they made when the grant was awarded, to provide the basic hosting and technical support of the website, the minimum necessary to keep it online and provide support for its users, or a mere $25,000 per year of the total budget. Let's compare these amounts with the overall cost of fire loss to Florida's residents in 2010 alone. More than $41 million. When compared to these other expenditures, the cost of this program is minuscule, while its benefits are tremendous. So why not support this program that reduces loss and saves lives? In these times of financial hardship, why not support saving costs and easing the burden on government, insurance, and ultimately our citizens? Why not support the prevention before it becomes necessary to support the victims?